Did you know that I'm really into photography? Well, you should take it up as a hobby then. Actually, I'd like to take up a beginner's photography course first so that I can read up on it. Yeah, that might help you to brush up on the skills you already have too. Hello, this is Georgie from BBC Learning English, and in this video we are learning some phrasal verbs related to education and learning. Why don't we take a look at those first sentences? To be into something means to have an interest in something. This person, not me, is into photography. Personally, I'm into languages. This verb cannot be separated. If you take something up, it means you start participating in an activity. In our first interaction, we see the verb used for both a hobby and a course. This verb can be separated. Read up on something means to learn about something through reading. This person wants to learn a bit about photography theory before spending a lot of time taking photos. This verb cannot be separated. Brush up on something means to improve the skills that you already have that might have become a little bit rusty. If you're learning English, you might want to brush up on your listening skills, for example. This verb cannot be separated. Hey, what are your plans today? Do you want to go to the park? Sorry, I can't. I'm working on a photography project. If I go to the park, I'll fall behind. Don't worry, you can catch up quickly. Come on. I can't. I have to hand the project in on Wednesday. That's in 2 days. Okay, fine. See you next weekend then. Work on something means to put effort and concentration into doing something. You can work on a project, work on a video script, work on your maths homework, etc. This verb cannot be separated. If you fall behind, it means that you are progressing more slowly than others doing the same activity. This person is worried she will fall behind her classmates, that others will complete the work faster than her. Catch up means to spend extra time doing something because you didn't do it earlier. If you fall behind, you often have to work harder in order to catch up. And finally, when you finish a project, you hand it in to the person or the people who need to see it. This verb can be separated. Now, if you're really into phrasal verbs, like most people are, why not work on writing a few sentences using the verbs we've just learnt, or check out the worksheet on our website. See you next time!